Hey guys, today I'm gonna make I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna buy a look of like this guy, human monster thingamabob. I'm gonna make a look of this. It's gonna be hard, but I'll try. Oh, thank God I have money. So sorry for the lagginess, my lord. I think it's that kind of color. Cute! That's it. Cute. Okay, this is it, I think. Shush, Dad. I did everything but the sinister look. Can't see the sinister look. Alright, I'm gonna try and find the sinister look. Because I don't have any bloody TV. Because no one wants to trade it. And I love bloody TV, but it's gone. Wait. I think there's a kind of like a creepy thing mangabob in here, I think. Ooh, this is so good. Oh, I don't know. Bruh. Ah, there it is. This. Come on. Maybe another here? I don't know. Let's see. Everything suited so well. I really want everything. It's really good. I have no idea what I want. Be right back. I will choose what I want in the thing. So be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is what I want. I can do a non-vapey one, but I think it's not gonna be that good. But I'm not gonna buy the non-vapey because I'm gonna be broke. I swear. Look at my money. Oh my God. I'm so sad. Why did I do this? I really... My love. So I'm gonna do a non-vapey. If this gonna get started. Little. Okay. Should I be right back? Okay. I'm not gonna be right back. Just gonna do it again. And this one is really good. It's non-vapey, like what? I really like this one too. But it's really not that good. So I guess we can take that one. You guys can buy the eyes if you have diamonds. Bruh. Boost milk in my kitchen. Shorts. And I still don't know. Okay, this is a dumb question, but if you guys can comment down below and say what Hulk is, because I'm too dumb to know. And gosh, you have no idea how dumb I am. By the way, if you got, and by the way, I have a quick challenge for you. You click the subscribe button, hit notification, and you might get something good, like gold star. Okay, I think this is good. You can choose this too. Okay, this is my luck. Can I bet? Yeah, no thank you. I'm not gonna buy it. Should I? No. So this is it. So bye.